How to view the htaccess file and edit it in public HTML directory. So let's begin the video. Once you log into GoDaddy account, you need to click My Products and enter Products page. Next, select the Manage button under Web Hosting section. And here, you need to click cPanel Admin button to enter cPanel Settings page. Next, in cPanel Settings page, you need to click File Manager under Files section. You need to click and open Public HTML directory. The .htaccess file often contains sensitive configurations, hence it's hidden by default. To unhide the file, you need to click the Settings tab in the top right of the page. Next, you need to click this box to show hidden files and save the changes. And now you can see the .htaccess file in public HTML directory. You can open and edit the file and add any scripts or codes here and save the file. To hide the htaccess file, again click Settings tab and uncheck this Show Hidden Files box and save the changes made here. And done. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.